There are 4 ways to keep your emotions under control when investing in cryptocurrency. First way, make a plan. The most important thing before starting to trade is to have a clear idea of what your goals for investing in cryptocurrency are. Before buying any cryptocurrency, ask yourself these questions. Does buying crypto fit with your financial goals? Do you have any savings? Is crypto the best way to start investing for you? Would investing something safer be better? Can you afford to lose the money you're thinking of investing? Do you know how volatile cryptocurrency markets are? Do you plan on buying and holding? Or are you planning on trading cryptocurrency? And what are your limits when it comes to how much you're willing to lose? 2. Do your research. It is critical to research the cryptocurrencies you're looking at buying and their underlying technology. Always be sure to read the white papers. Look for cryptocurrencies that are backed by good technology that actually makes sense. Look and see if they have an active community. Who's on the development team? Do these people have any history with other cryptocurrencies? Though these are no guarantees of success, they will help you better understand what you're buying. Just because your favorite cryptocurrency YouTuber is talking about this amazing new coin that will go to the moon does not mean you should blindly trust them. Always do your research, but don't over-research and obsess over charts. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button. Number 3, choose the right trading exchange. Decide what trading platform you will use. Some of them have dozens and dozens of coins available for purchase and trade, while others list only a few. Some allow you to cash out your cryptocurrency into fiat currency, while others do not. Some allow you to purchase cryptocurrency with fiat currency, while others do not. Find out which is best for you is essential. I personally use 3 different platforms, but I suggest you start with one. Here are some facts to consider when picking a platform. Location. Use an exchange in your country. It helps you to meet all the legal requirements, and it's generally easier to make a deposit or withdrawal in your local currency. Coin and trading pairs availability. Take a look at the exchange you want to use. What coins are available? What trading pairs are available? Can you buy the cryptocurrency with fiat currency? Deposits are only with another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. If you're looking for a long-term investment, an exchange with basic pairings is best, like Coinbase or Gemini. However, if you're planning on doing a lot of day trading, then you may want an exchange with more features like crypto.com. Next, security. Platform security is essential. What kind of login procedure does this site have? Is it strict? Is there 2-step verification? Do they have good support? Oftentimes we don't think about support, but support can be very important if something goes wrong. The 4th way, take advantage of limit offers. Limit offers can protect you from losing your cryptocurrency if the price drops too quickly. A limit order lets you set the lowest price you're willing to let your cryptocurrency fall to. For an example, if you buy a coin at $20 and you expect the price to rise, then you can set a limit order at $19.50. If the price starts to fall dramatically, the platform will automatically sell your coins at $19.50. However, be mindful that the fluctuation of coins can change drastically in a very short amount of time. So sometimes there'll be just a quick drop because it's, a certain day of the week or something. In conclusion, buying and trading cryptocurrency can be exciting and potentially profitable, but it also comes with high risk and high emotions. These points can help you keep a level head. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.